Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Mrs. Kasturi Ratne Delpathe Yapa Mudian Selage Nayani Nirmala Kasturi Ratne as a resident magistrate shall now begin.
Thank you.
Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite Mrs. Kasturi Ratne to take the affirmation of allegiance and the affirmation for due execution of judicial office.
I, Kasturiratne Delpathe Yapa Mudian Selage, Nayani Nirmala Kasturiratne, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Kasturiratne Delpathe Yapa Mudian Selage, Nayani Nirmala Kasturiratne, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare that affirm that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji, and solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor or prejudice, in accordance with the Constitution of Republic of Fiji and the law.
Your Honour, ma'am. Congratulations. Welcome. Ma'am, congratulations once again and welcome to the judiciary.